Limitless AI review. Does this AI help you remember everything? So, what is Limitless AI? Limitless AI combines a sleek wearable pendant with companion apps through web, Mac, and Windows that records conversations, transcribe them, and generate summaries. It uses beam forming tech to focus on voices, supports speaker recognition, and syncs across devices. It aims to deliver features like searchable memory, task reminders, and contextual insights. The key features include perfect recall, playback full conversations with speaker identification, smart summaries and reminders. AI delivers to do lists or personal insights based on your interactions. Up to 100-hour battery, ideal for long days or events. Privacy first design, which includes consent mode, encrypted storage, and policies against unauthorized data use. In terms of pricing, the pendant is around $99 to $499, depending on bundle and timing. Pro Club plans start at around $29 to $49 a month, with a free tier offering limited transcription minutes. For professionals or creators who juggle endless meetings or ideas, Limitless can be a game changer, capturing key discussions you'd otherwise forget and helping you stay organized effortlessly. But it's not without criticism. Users have reported recording glitches, like meetings stopping midway or label mismatches in transcripts. Privacy is a big concern too. Always on recording can be invasive, raise consent issues, and blur boundaries, even if recorded data is encrypted. Longtime users of the predecessor, Rewind, feel Limitless has lost focus by pivoting to recording meetings rather than broader AI memory. So, does Limitless AI help you remember everything? Kind of. It's potent for capturing and recording and recalling conversations, summaries, and reminders, but its reliability and privacy trade offs means it's not for everyone. And that's been an honest review of Limitless AI. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.